So here we go. We're trying to check on the script on the Notepad. So let's go talk and then let's talk about every details of the script. Now, from taking that scroll text, we want to import a scroll text. What is our usefulness of this so-called scroll text? Yeah, is when this value here, maybe when we create something longer, we have this system that gives us the opportunity to scroll up, scroll down, and the unit can be able to now scroll down, scroll up on this. Then the file dialog, our file dialog is supposed to give us the opportunity to save control save, but I think we're having an issue with that, so let's go straight into that unit and let's check why we are going through that issue. So firstly, I want to firstly delete this because some of those self-defined stuff are not actually going on rightly. So let me invoke this using my take enter. Then let's save, control save. It says our root.save text as issue. So let's go to the function we use save text. Now here we go. It's talking about events. There's a mistake. I wanted to make sure I can use control hex to save automatically, but right now I'm not yet ready for that because I'm still going through a lot of project. Then we can start to add the functions of maybe let's do this, let's do that. So let's cancel this. By the time we run it again, we can be able to save using save as. So let's go to save as. It's going to bring us the reason why we can save. So let's assume I write a project name. Python is the best. Then let's control save. Let's save this as save as. Let's save this as test script dot tst. Okay, we don't even need to say dot anything. It automatically set that, and we can actually open that same script right here, and it brings us back to this. Python is the best. Then let's cancel this, and then let's reopen another file again. It brings it back. Python is the best. So it gives us an opportunity to show it to us that here we are opening a particular script, and then it brings us the link of the script. That's actually dope, but still we can actually run those. And then okay, let's go to why our control copy is not working. So let's go to the copy file and let's see why the copy is not actually working. Then the copy is not actually working because we are actually trying to add an event to it whereby we can be able to customly use the script over here. Control C for the copy, control this, that for the copy. But right now, let's firstly put all this into the blind settings. Then, okay, so when we do this, we can later get into maybe on the sample of the project. We can actually see maybe, okay, we're gonna do much of that. We can add much to the events and so more to many of the details of what we'll be treating. So then let's check if we have other events going on in most of the project. Okay, I think that's all. Let's save, let's cancel this, and let's reopen this using cmd. So yeah, we go. Okay, so then we can now open successfully. Yeah, we can. So let's actually do something here. Then let's replace a particular file. Let's say I want to replace Python. Okay, or let's say I want to replace this into those. And as you can see, there is this over here. I want you to take note of this. Let's replace this has become those. I hope you really understand that. So then here it is over here. So we give this one part of functionality, and then I think I haven't worked yet on the zooming and then stuff like that, the zoom bar to zoom in and zoom out. Well, not yet. Well, okay, so let's go to front. Yeah, okay, let's try Roman front. and then the size to be 18. Let's test, and then here we have the font as big as this. Let's go again to areas, and then we have a font of 12, and then here we go in areas in a front of 36. Let's go to the front of 36. And here we have an omega font as big as what we cannot even talk about. Okay, let's go to Adobe, and then let's test. Well, I think Adobe is not actually kind of direct full front that we can actually talk about directly. But let's go to consolas. Then consolas we have. Here we go. So we can actually continue to make our humble script in consolas, and then this is absolutely helpful, isn't it? Then let's go for our time. It displays the time, displays the time right here above in the settings right here. Then let's go for the things. Let's check. Search with Bing. Just just like a photocopy of what's it called, of the real Notepad. Then we can now copy. Okay, so let's select and let's copy. Then now let's do something we call cut. I think I haven't worked on the system of cut. Now let's paste. Oh really? Yeah, we can now paste. I just did that pasting with Ctrl V, but we should normally paste right here. But our CMD just gave us an error that we are missing an argumentative position, which is event. That means there's another event being placed somewhere that we didn't see earlier on our paste function. Oh, right here. So let's go to our paste function, and then let's give this the piece of our minds. So let's go here, and then you gotta cancel this project. And you got to come here right here, and then let's remove the code, and then let's go here, and then control paste. Here we are in control paste, and then it is working. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please comment what you guys want us to work on nextly, and then like I said, I'll be helping you guys with creating an application through your Python. So thank you for watching.